What's the meaning of Asian Dub Foundation? Asian Dub Foundation. Asian Dub Foundation.
Asian Dub Foundation. Asian Dub Foundation. The name Asian Dub Foundation refers to a British band formed in 1993 that combines elements of South Asian music with contemporary electronic sounds. Their music often addresses political and social issues, including anti-racism, anti-imperialism, and environmental activism. The band's unique sound and politically charged lyrics have earned them a dedicated following and critical acclaim. They continue to perform and release music that challenges social norms and celebrates cultural diversity.